Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your risk management with Visa full guide step by step clearly. Understanding the importance of risk management is crucial for businesses today. The first step in upgrading your risk management with Visa is to familiarize yourself with Visa's risk management solutions. Visit the Visa website to explore the various tools and services they offer. Look for resources specifically designed for businesses in your industry. Next, evaluate your current risk management processes. Identify areas where your existing strategies may fall short. Once you have pinpointed these gaps, research specific Visa solutions that can address them. For instance, consider Visa's fraud detection tools and reporting capabilities. After identifying suitable tools, create a plan for integration. Detail how you will implement these tools within your existing systems. Consult with your IT department to ensure compatibility with your current infrastructure. Once you have a clear integration plan, it's time to reach out to Visa representatives. Schedule a meeting to discuss your specific needs and goals. During this conversation, ask about training opportunities for your team. Training is essential to ensure everyone is equipped to use the new tools effectively. After receiving the necessary training, conduct a pilot program within your organization. This allows you to test the new risk management tools in a controlled environment. Gather feedback from the team and make necessary adjustments based on their experiences. Once you've refined the process, fully roll out the upgraded risk management solutions. Continuously monitor the performance of these tools to ensure they are effective. Regularly review your risk management strategy and make improvements as needed. Stay updated on new features and enhancements from Visa. Finally, ensure open lines of communication within your team about risk management practices. This will foster a culture of awareness and responsiveness to risk. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.